The 10th victory with Hamilton ahead of Rosberg and 12th pole position of the season. At Monza, the toughest track of the season, Mercedes has proven to be absolutely the best in 2014, both in reliability and performance. On a high-speed track, average 250 kilometers per hour, the W05 touched a top speed of 360 kilometers per hour, both in the test drive and in the race, working on two separate fronts. An aerodynamic setup specific for Monza in low downforce, and above all, the tuning of the power unit. Maximization of power, but not only. The secret was to maintain the efficiency of the MG UK 162 HP right through to the end of the straight. A strategic result obtained by working on the flow of energy to the batteries and then to the MG UK. The hybrid power unit, on a track alternating high speeds with heavy braking 5 times per lap at Monza, is in the best possible condition to charge its batteries. Management of the charge and discharge cycle has always been the real power of this unit, but on this circuit, it has been turned into a lethal weapon. In fact, the Mercedes turbocharging system provides a unique solution exclusive to F1, with the turbine and compressor located in front of and behind the engine, with the MGU-H in between. As required by the regulation, this generator is connected to a clutch, whose task is to engage the turbine compressor system to generate energy and recharge the batteries while braking. But during the acceleration phase, the clutch disconnects the MGU-H from the turbocharging group. In this way, to overcome the inertia of the rotating HERS, the energy saved feeds the KERS electric motor and lengthens the period of power delivery. An invaluable advantage on fast circuits with long straights like Monza. An overwhelming superiority in qualification, which during the race resulted from perfect tuning in every part of the car, the engine, as much as the aerodynamic setup. In the wind tunnel, Mercedes has developed an extreme configuration with low downforce, which reduces resistance to CX and increases top speeds. On the front wing, a configuration with a wider open front section has been chosen to increase airflow under the car, channeling directly onto the underside, so as to maximize the effect of the flow on the diffuser and its relative downforce values. In order to obtain an optimum balance of aerodynamic pressure on the two axles, a new low downforce and low CX configuration has also been developed in the rear axle. Vertical bulkheads with the number of slots reduced to only 4 in function of the lower pressure field above the wing, and a profile that maintains deep shaping in the lower section. This configuration, retouched many times and perfected for the race, has allowed the Silver Arrows to maximize their performance on the track and increase their advantage over the closest pursuers by 43 points.